Okay. So your answer to number 1, you said is 2.
4 root 2.
Okay, 4 root 2. All right, number 2.
2 root 3.
2 root 3. Number 3.
3 root 4.
3 root 4. Did you say 3 root 4?
Yes.
Number 4.
Root 5.
Root 5. Number 5.
5 root 5.
5 root 5. Number 6.
2 root 5.
2 root 5. Number 7.
5 root 5.
5 root 5. Number 8.
Oh, number 8 is 3 root 4.
3 root 4. Number 9.
3 root 4.
3 root 4. Number 10.
2 root 15.
2 root 15. Number 11.
2 root 4.
2 root 4. Number 12.
3 root 15.
3 root 15. All right, let's look at your answers to see those ones that are maybe needing correction. So here, what you need here is a rationalization. So you multiply by root 2, both the numerator and denominator, and that will give us 8 root 2 all over 2. 2 here will give us 4 root 2. Number 1 is correct, Mark.
How many marks?
2, 2 each. Then here is root 3, then divided by root 3. So if you multiply the numerator, you get 6 root 3. At the denominator, you got root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. Therefore, 3 here will give us 2 root 3 is correct. Then here, you don't need to simplify anything. What you need to do is to do 12 over 2. So this is correct. The right answer is 6. Why? Because the square root of the denominator is already 2, well known. So once you find the square root of 4 is 2, you divide it, use it to divide the numerator, and that is dividing 12 to get 6. Okay? Then, all right. Number 4, you multiply the numerator with root 5 as well as the denominator with root 5. That is rationalization. And when you do that, you have 5 root 5 at the numerator, and at the denominator, root 5 times root 5 is 5. So 5 will cancel 5, and you'll be left with root 5, correct? In this one, look at what you're going to do. Just do 5, use 1 square root, divide 10 by 2, because both of them comes with a square root. So 2 will divide root 10 to give you, or 2 will divide 10 to give you 5. So 5 root 5 is correct. Then this one, you need to do rationalization. That means multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 3. Okay? And that is going to give us, at the numerator, we are going to have 2 root 45. You know what I mean? That is when you do 15 times 3. And at the denominator, you got root 3 times root 3 is 3. Now, moving forward to that place, you can agree with me that root 45 is the same thing as 9 times 5. Meanwhile, at the denominator, you got 3, which is now going to give you 2 times 3 root 5 all over 3. Why times 3? Because of the square root of 9. That will give you 3. So the 3 at the denominator will cancel that 3. So your answer here is correct as 2 root 5. All right. So moving forward to question number 7. Here, you do the same thing I said. If you like, you simply find quickly the square root of 4, which is easy to do. So that will give you 5 root 2. Root 20 is the same thing as 4 times 5. And at the denominator, you just write it as 2. It's okay like that. The only time you can rationalize is when you get square root at the denominator. So at this point, you can bring out that square root of 4 will come out and become 5 times 2, which is 10, then root 5 over 2. Then 2 will cancel out 10 to give you 5. Your answer is correct. 5 root 5 is correct. In this case, you divide direct. That is 3 into root 20 divided by 5. Both of them are square roots. So 5 can divide 20 to give you 4. So why this one is wrong is that it's just a little thing. Okay, because we are making it to 2 marks, I will give you 1 mark here. Why? Because what you have done the work, what is left is for you to simplify the square root of 4, which is going to give you 3 multiplied by 2. Do you understand? So the accurate answer here is 6. Likewise here also, the same thing. You cancel root 2 with root 2. Then you have 5 divided 30. So this is completely wrong. So square root of 2, we cancel square root of 2 at the numerator and denominator. Then you now use 5 to divide. Your answer here is 6. Is it okay?
Yeah.
All right. So that is the solution to that number 9. We go to number 10. Here, you can divide directly 3. Divide straight 18 to give you 6. You get it? Now, at this point, you can now do simplification, which is you now got in that number 10 6 root 5 all over root 3. That is what is left, having divided 18 by 3. Now, you rationalize with the square root of 3. And this is going to give me 6 root 15 all over 3, making the answer to be 2 root 15. So your answer here is correct. You get that? Then number 11, why it will be wrong is because of that square root of 4 that I'm seeing there, which is So let's take it one by one. We got 32, then root 4, all over 4, root 4. This one, you have less work to do. Why? You simply use 4 to divide 32. It will give you 8. Then square root of 4 will cancel square root of 4. So the right answer here is 8. Is it okay? Or even if you find square root of 4 as 2, and you come to the denominator and find it as 2, the two of them will still cancel out. So at the end of the day, the only thing you have left is 32 divided by 4, which is 8. So we move to number 12. In number 12, we are given, okay, let me put it this side. Number 12, we are given 30 root 3 divided by 2 root 5. 30 root 3 divided by 2 root 5. I want you quickly to cancel out these 2 with the 30 so that you get 15. Now you have 15 root 3. Okay? At the denominator, you got root 5 left. Then rationalize it this time. Okay? Which is multiply by root 5 on both ends, numerator and denominator. Isn't it? So what will happen now is that at the denominator, you are going to get 15 rather. Then here is root 3 times root 5 will give me root 15. And at the denominator, we got root 5 times root 5 is 5. So 5 here is 1. 5 into 15 is 3. Giving your final answer as 3 root 15. Yeah, that is the answer to number 12. And you are there. You are there. So the only place now, the other one, remember I gave you 1 mark in it. So it's just this one you count 1, 2. And then any other one? Yes, and 3. So that is 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. So out of 12, 2 times 12 is 24. 24 subtract 7 is 17. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So your total score now is 17 all over 24. So if you work it into percentage, that is going to give us 17 by 24 will give us 71%. Is it okay?
Yeah.
All right. So we are going to call it a day at this juncture. It's already time. Are you still putting down the corrections?
And I'll put them there.
Okay. All right. We stop here. Good night to you.